Did I just see something? No, go away from that.
What?
I thought I saw something.
I didn't see anything. I'm just getting Morse code. Slenderman, come rescue us! We're trapped!
Oh my god!
What was that?
Run! Don't look! That way! We have to get away from him!
Can I just look?
No!
Let's get a look again.
No!
I want to look at it.
I keep wanting to look! Don't look at him! You stupid idiot!
I wanted to see what he looked like.
He looks...
He was kind of slender though. That guy is...
Let's just not look behind.
Oh, this guy's pretty.
You know it's not...
What the f*** is he doing there?
Where was he?
Get there!
Where the f*** was he?
He was over there. He's gone. He's gone. Can I look behind us? I want to see if he's there.
Okay, give it a look-see. I'll stop.
What the f*** was that? What the f*** was that? Where is he? Wait. Oh, he's really close. Run! Go forward, you idiot!
I'm going backwards.
Why
He's right there. He's in
backwards?
front of us, you stupid. Please don't be around the corner.
Wait, I'm gonna look. Oh, get out of there! Run! Dude, this is the fastest you can walk?
Yes! Hope Slenderman can't run.
Apparently he can't. I've never seen him
Let's go
walk.
around the other way. He won't think to go around the other way. I have superhuman vision.
This does not look like a tank. Oh, I thought you meant like a military tank.
No, I meant the kind
I thought it was gonna turn into Modern Warfare 3 up here.
Let's...
You killed us! You walked right into him! See you guys next time. Bye!